Sarah Jacobson, Marketing Artfully. Today I want to show you how I am using Repper, which is a pattern maker, to market my artwork. So that may feel a little bit weird, but I'm going to give the patterns away as a freebie and then have them directed to my actual artwork. So I'll show you a blog post I'm making. You could do this as a blog post. You could do it as an Instagram post. Functionally, what you're doing is you're trying to get attention to your artwork, and then you can also have a freebie to share, set up a email list of people who enjoy your artwork. So what I'm doing here is I've made these 9 different patterns from my artwork, and then I have a link to my artwork. When you click on this, it goes to my actual artwork for sale as a digital download on Etsy. That's a fun way to do it. Now I'm going to show you how easy Repper is to use. First off, here's the artwork, the regular artwork that I did over here. And when you click on these and you drag this around, it makes different patterns. So you could pick, I think one that I really like is Bloom, to make flowers. I just think that's just so cool. And then you just, if you find one you like, let's find one I really like, you just hit the plus and it's kind of capturing that for you. So down here will be this pattern, and then if we want to make it even more of a smaller pattern, we do it here. It still looks the same, but watch, bigger, smaller. So fun. And then if you did want to, you could always do, some of them are square. So this is a square pattern. This, if you look at the tile, would be a repeating tile. So this is trying to zoom in too far and is going a little wonky. See, when we're way down here, the pattern is not great. There we go. That is what it would look like. And then this is another fun thing. If you did want to share it in a fun way, you could show it on a pillow. The dress is amazing. Show your pattern on a dress. Just so cool. Okay, anyways, so this is how it goes. This is my artwork that I made. Super fun. It is a mermaid cowgirl. So we're going to go over to Repper. We're going to go to View All Collections. We're going to say a new collection. I'm going to call this Mermaid Cowgirl. And we're going to upload our image. I think it's in my downloads. Yep, it's in my downloads. Nope, we got to get out of... Oh, look how fun that is. So what you want to do is you want to pick a pattern or colors, or actually that's perfect. Let's go ahead and save that one. And then we're going to come, and so if I'm thinking, you know, that I want to base it on, oh, look, you can see her face. That's so weird. I don't love that. Let's get this smaller. Look at how pretty that is. That's gorgeous. Let's save that one. That's very pastel-y. What happens if we get over here with that pastel? Now let's change this. Let's try my favorite Bloom. That's very pretty. Go ahead and save that one. I also like these horizontal stripes and vertical stripes. Super cute. And then we're getting into her hair. But I could also pick different colors of this picture. I don't love this pattern for that, but let's see what else we can do. Boy, this really reminds me of, oh, there we go. That is gorgeous. Let's make it smaller. Oh, see, I think that's a beautiful pattern. And then what you do is you're starting to have this whole collection of patterns that you can give to your, let's go down here, it's going to be more brown. Oh my gosh, that is gorgeous. Let's do that, and then let's rotate it. Not what I was trying to do at all. This is what I was trying to do to make a stripe. That is cool too. But see how it's that same tile? Now this would not be a repeating pattern. That's the same tile, but it's just how it's rendered in different ways. So that is my suggestion for how you can use your free pattern giveaway. This one hooks up to my Etsy shop, but if you wanted to grow an email list and you have one that's maybe medium seller and you have a whole series like I do of cowboy prints, you could use this to get people on your artist email list and then send them offers, a Black Friday offer, a Mother's Day offer, things like that. If you do holiday prints, like over here, I have in my collections, I have where I have done some of my Halloween pumpkins. I have where I've done the Halloween ghost. And there are just such cool patterns that I got out of this. And those would be perfect to be a giveaway. Or I was just thinking this today, you could also list these patterns for sale on your Etsy shop. They do coordinate with your artwork. You could absolutely make them into a gallery or even a commercial use pattern that you could sell on your Etsy shop and make additional listings and additional things you can market and more money. So hopefully that helps. Tara Jacobson, Artsy Fartsy Life.